How to remove access from Google Drive. Hey everyone, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will show you that how can you remove access from your Google Drive. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open Google Drive on your PC so you can as usual use your any browser. I'm opening the Chrome browser. Alright, after you open the browser, you'll have to just open the drive here. Alright, after you are in the drive, you'll have to just select that folder or video from where you want to remove access. So in my case, I will select this random video from here, and after you move with the video or folder, you'll have to just click on that three dot just at the right hand side of that folder or video, and after you click on that three dot, you'll have to click on share. Alright, from this share, again click on share. Okay, so from this share section, you will be able to find every people which have access of your Google Drive file or folder. So from here, you have to just select that person email ID from where you want to remove them. So you have to just move with that section where it says editor or something else. So simply click on that drop down. Alright, so now from this section, if that person is viewer, commenter, you'll have to just click on that drop down, and from this section, you can easily find the options like remove access from here. So simply click on this remove access. Alright, after you done it, you'll have to just click on the option save. Alright, after you update the access from your videos or files on Google Drive, you will be able to remove access from your Google Drive to that person of email. So this is the easiest and simplest method. If you found this video helpful to you, please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. See you on next one.